Okay, no, that's bright sunshine. Good morning, merry Vlogmas day 4. We are in the car, can you tell? We're not in our car, we're in their car. And we're going to do hair things. You're going to come watch. She's going to be support. Sort of vlog support as well, bless her. She offered. Yeah, Nia's getting her hair cut as well, so it's a big day for all of us. So I'm going longer, she's going shorter, because, you know, natural.
She's getting her hair.
Yeah. Can you imagine? Just black curly stuff, yeah. We will take you along with us.
Before shots. Excited? Very. This is Mum's hair.
You're a wizard, Harry.
She started. Sorry. She doesn't brush it. It's her own fault. But it's all going. There's rollers in this Christmas tree.
Thanks
Angles.
so
Angles.
Yeah, I literally, we've created a monster.
Bobbles in it, pulled it to the front and then just
locked it off.
Locked it off just
No
to
worries.
get some length off it. So if it's got weird looking layers, please don't blame my normal hairdresser. It's nothing to do.
That's a good look, Mum.
So I'm literally about to just buzz that chunk off.
Oh, I'm so excited. I'm not getting you in if you don't want to be.
It's alright, it's confused, make it look thin.
Okay. Nope. You can't stop now, otherwise you're going to have some really odd shape.
I've done weirder.
Yeah. Or don't I get it?
13 inches for that.
Yeah. Alright. It's an interesting process. Does that just warm the glue up?
The glue comes out hot out the gun, and then I collect it like a little bead on the end of the hair, and then attach it and
Just
mold
rub
it
it
with
in.
a silicone pad. Yeah,
That's exciting.
that's one in.
There you go. You've got one in. That's what it looks like. You can't see it when it's all done. We hope. Update. She's stripy. Yeah, she's going to look really strange in the vlogs for a few days, but normal service will be resumed eventually. She's finished.
I'm gonna pop in.
Oh, it's so short. Looks nice though.
She still managed just to cut me off like I'm like, are you looking at the thing? She's like, oh
Put it off. We're back in on the Thursday.
Slow
So
zoom.
I'm Saturday,
Princess
then I'm
Leia
off
vibes.
Sunday, Tuesday.
Look at that. Literally all the colours of the rainbow.
What do you think, Jim?
It's cool.
You sure you don't want it? There's some hair dye there.
Okay.
I said, are you sure you don't want it? There's some hair dye there.
Oh.
Oh, I know, it's amazing, isn't it?
Wow. That's cool.
It's fab.
That's seriously cool.
Now you're going to have to keep coming back to the island to see Sean just so that Sam can zhuzh your hair.
Thanks, Jim.
I'm home. I have absolutely no idea what they filmed on my camera today, so editing this evening is going to be very interesting. But we all have new hair, except for James. They did try and rainbow James's hair, but no. So mine is a little bit longer, but much thicker. I have to leave it for a couple of days with these crazy colours, and then I can over dye it with my bright red again. So expect to see some crazy hair for the next couple of days, but I feel it's so nice and thick again. Yeah, all right. This one has rainbow hair, so you know. Anyway, I've come home and I have a card from Leann and there's a parcel from Anna, so thank you very much, you two. And then I think Yes, my Sherwood fabric order has arrived, which is very exciting. And we still got to do advent calendars. It's the day that just keeps on giving. So Anna, I think I know what you've got me. Thank you. Oh, I've left my scissors over there. Hang on. There's a note that says, read, please do film. Read after you open belated birthday present, birthday replacement gift. And I know what these are. I wondered why it was so heavy. So it's foxglove and field, and it's the pattern weights, and they are properly heavy, and they're little fabric cotton spools. They are awesome, Anna. Thank you so much. That's so kind of you. Anna was trying to get me the fondant fancy ones, but she's no longer making them. Dearest Sean, I hope these super cute kitty weights make up for the ones I could no longer get for you. I think they will agree they are the perfect alternative. Lots of love from Anna. They're amazing. So that's awesome of you. Thank you so much. They're so cool. I'll leave the company link down in the description box down below as well for you guys if you'd like to have a look at those. Thank you, Anna. I've got a card from Leann, and I have a feeling this is a homemade card because I know Leann makes them. And she did list her details on the Peeps group. Don't want to cut the card. You sellotaped it closed. There we go. I think I'm in. Oh, Leann, that's beautiful. Thank you. Totally my colours. That's gorgeous. Shana family, hope you have a great Christmas. Leann, Robert and Janet and Johns. Oh, thank you so much. That's my first Christmas card for the season, so thank you. And then I have a giant parcel of fabric from my Cyber Monday Sherwood Fabrics order. None of these are going to come as a surprise to any of you. They're all Lady McElroy. They were all 30% off. My brother sat next to me. You can see him in the mirror right there. He's sitting there and he's like, what are you doing? You know this is fabric, right? You can't eat this. So I ordered some samples, and the first one is the Loughborough, which is kind of like, it's 97% cotton and 3% spandex. And I was wondering what that would be like for bottom weights, and I think that would be quite nice. Oh yeah. And then...
You're laughing at the word spandex.
James is having a giggle fit. And then I've got the 80% wool, 20% cashmere, and this is the mink mocha colour. This is nice. This is not as soft as the stuff from Truro Fabrics, but it is nice. I do like that. And the price difference is quite considerable. This is £22 a metre, and the one from Truro Fabrics is £56 a metre, so very different in price. And then this is a remnant, and it's the panda one, so there's enough here to make a Melilo shirt. We look, pandas. Oh my god, pandas. There's that one, and then this and this next one I was really excited about because they've started doing like cotton. What do they call it? Get the right name because it's on the receipt. It's, oh no, I won't get the right name because I've just got the name of the print. But it's like a twill. So it's bag weight, and that's what they suggest that you make it with. So I've got the Jungle Tropics and the Savannah in the bag weight. So this is like the 4th type of fabric that I have this print on. And then there's some, this is jersey for a t-shirty top because I just love leaves, as you know. And then I have cotton lawn for a dress for next summer in more leaves. So again, none of those are going to come as a surprise to any of you, but they all now need washing except for the bag ones. I'm not going to wash those, but yay, happy post day.
You take up less spotlight. It's the Shan show.
It is.
What's
So
going on?
we've got an extra.
Why are they letting it out the door?
There we go.
Where do you want me? Not that good.
You thought I was bad. Ew, no, yeah. So Mum unfortunately is not feeling very well. She's feeling a bit poorly. So we'll let her go first, so that we're doing calendars, by the way.
Yes.
We'll let her go first, and day 4 is there, so she can escape.
Oh, lovely jubbly.
Ree's got a calendar. James and Nia didn't bring theirs with them, so that's why they're
Oh,
not
that
doing
looks
this.
promising.
That looks dark. Oh god, I can't even read that.
I can't even see it.
Yeah.
X.
Oh yeah. What happened?
I really hope it doesn't have coffee.
There's your helicopter.
There's your helicopter.
There's your helicopter.
Is your no opener?
There's no helicopter.
I can't read what it says.
No, me either.
Might-
Sniff it first, just in case it's a coffee one.
If in doubt, sniff it.
Yeah.
Do you want me to try and read it?
I might not smell it.
No, technically with coffee you can really smell it.
Just take a nibble and hope for the best.
If she starts making the no faces. Oh, that's nuts. Oh, that's happy noises.
Looks right.
Yeah.
Smells good.
You're not. No, we should have actually.
I can smell it now.
We should have given Dad. We should have given Dad the licorice first, so that he was distracted.
Yes.
Same place.
Yep.
It's already open. You've been baking.
No, I have not. Oh, this is well, this is chewy. Yes.
La Ritz Brazil. Yeah.
Right, well you're right. They're like looks like a miniature pretzel, and it feels like a jelly.
New descriptive word today.
Oh, smells wonderful.
Oh, it smells like black licorice, which is not my favourite. New descriptive word?
Sumptuous.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Well done.
Have I got to have a new word every day? now?
Yeah, word of the day, please.
Delectable.
Okay, don't waste them.
Oh no, I can't make them up, can I?
You've got 20 more days to go.
It's also gorgeous.
Is it? Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
You go next. No, you go next. Ree's got a makeup one. Makeup revolution.
Right, where's my door? There it is. Where's my door? There's my door.
The four
we got?
have all been different.
Ooh. That's interesting.
Won't come out. It's always the attractive faces.
Ultra shine balm.
Yeah, like a lip balm.
It's like a primer.
Tomorrow
Oh, okay.
Anti-shiny bits.
There you go.
Holy
And
day
then-
in Australia.
Interesting.
Okay, I haven't tried yesterday's one yet, but let's hope that day 4
Shirley gets her
Oh, right.
dose tomorrow.
is slightly better than dark hot chocolate. Yes!
Hey!
Really dropped my calendar.
Oh,
You were asking what the heavy parcel was that arrived earlier.
Yeah, postman handed it to me and I sort of went, oh,
They
and it's
are
tiny. Oh,
pattern weights.
well there we go.
Look at your kitties on there.
That's really sweet.
I think they're
Aren't
really
they
sweet.
gorgeous?
They're lovely.
And they're properly heavy as well, which is lovely.
It's a lovely idea.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Anna. That's very kind of you. This is my very belated birthday present because she tried to get me some different ones and they went out. She decided not to do them anymore. So there's another yummy dinner.
Yummy dinny.
That was a what now? That wasn't even English. There is another yummy dinner on the table. I have veggie sausages coming.
It's a terrible food.
I have veggie sausages coming out of the Arga any second now. I have only had 2 of these.
Pork Sean cannot.
Back up at mine, Shiana is acting like a crazy thing, but you know what's new there. So yes, had a lovely dinner with the family, and up here now I've got some editing to do, put some bits and pieces away, get some washing done, that kind of stuff. So exciting end to the exciting day. But no, it's been so nice having my hair done again, and at the moment it does look crazy. These kind of blonde bits will be going because I'm going to be dyeing it bright red over the whole lot, so it's going to look really cool, but I need to let all the extension bonds harden before I can do that. So for the next couple of days, crazy hair, although as Ree says, come at me bro, she has better crazy hair than I do. But it was a really fun day, really fun day. 6 hours in the salon, but I think we entertained them as much as they entertained us, so yes. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed today's waffle and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.